No matter what you do, you will always need to save. Trust me, you don't want your hours and hours of work to go vanish. First thing first, Photoshop has a safety for you. Go to Photoshop, find Preferences, then File Handling. Always turn on Automatically Save Recovery. It's a must-have. Yes, sometimes it could be annoying, but hey, it will save you from accidents. When you're working on a file, always check if there is a star at the end of your file name. If the star is there, it means at this moment, something has been changed, your file is unsaved, and you can go to File on the top menu and click Save. Remember this most commonly used shortcut, S. You can try Ctrl S if it's a PC or Command S if it's a Mac. Next, Save As. If you do some changes and go Save As, it means you have saved the current file as a new file. The old file is unchanged as original. The file that you saved as is the latest version you can keep working on. But if you try Save as Copy, you will also create a new file. The difference is that the file you keep working on is still the very first file. When you go Save, there are 3 types of most used file. PSD and PSB are the most regular types of Photoshop file. It saves all your layers, effects, texts, and all the other information. Once your PSD file is too big, which is over 2 GB, it will automatically go to PSB. TIFF is a type of file which also saves all the information, but in a format which more welcome to other image programs. Although PSD and TIFF saves all the data, the file size is way too big. You will need to export them into a more friendly type of file like JPG or PNG. You can go to File, Export, then Export As. Shortcut is Ctrl-Alt-Shift-W if it's a PC or Command-Option-Shift-W if it's a Mac. The exported file size will be more suitable for sending, sharing, and other uses. When exporting, you can add different size settings. This allows you to export images of different sizes at once. This feature can save a lot of workflow, especially for UI designers. There is another export function that is more commonly used. Go to File, Export, then Layers to Files. Set the destination folder and select the format in which you want to export the files. Photoshop will automatically execute the program to export all layers into images. Of course, you can also select the layer you want to export, right-click, and click Export As. This way, Photoshop will only export the layers you selected. For exporting the files, beginners only need to understand JPG and PNG first. Both file formats are relatively small and friendly to share. The biggest difference is that when your canvas has blank spaces, JPG will automatically fill the blank spaces with white. PNG will save the data of the blank space as transparent. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.